Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another video. So for today I will be giving you a tour of my room. So this is where all the magic happens, and I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, remember to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you're new, and make sure you turn on the post notifications so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I am starting off at my door. So this is what it looks like right now. It is decorated for Halloween. And then we go into the door to the left. We have my bed. This is what it looks like right now. I am planning to change the bedding to something more pink. And then I have my picture frames up with all these pictures of my beautiful family and some of me too. And then on the other side of the bed I have my name in gold glitter. I do have to fix that E. And then I have a poster that says Girl Power that my cousin got me for my birthday last year. Was it for my birthday? And then I've got this little ottoman storage thing. And then I've got two boxes that I stack up for when I record some videos. That's just a random shirt. And this is a window. If you couldn't tell, I did cover it up because a lot of light does come through. And I love to sleep in the dark. So that's that. And then I have all of my shoes. This is some clothes I'm planning to give away or to donate. And then I have all of my books and school supplies and makeup bags, some hangers. And then on top of that I have my TV, some incense. I have a perfume from Victoria's Secret, a little fan. Oh, wrong way. And then I have the incense holder, my camera, some remotes, and then here I have some little flower decorations that I made. And this is an empty liquor bottle that I use to leave my phone on when I'm recording. And then on the wall I have a little mirror. I don't know if you can see me. You can see my hand. And then I have two of my favorite hats. And then on the other wall where the TV is, I have my graduation picture and the sash that I used for my birthday last year. It does have little lights. So that's that. And then I have another window with my air, some little, this is where I put some stuff that doesn't have a home yet. And then I have my the purse that I've been using every day. It is a Tommy Hilfiger, and I got this for my birthday last year also. And then we have my desk. I do have some canvases here. These are for a baby shower. I have all of my color pencils and paint brushes. And then I have highlighters and the pens I don't really like. So when people come and ask me if I have a pen, I can give them these. And then I have a nail polish, some hand sanitizer. I have a hair mask, nail polish remover. All this is just like notebooks and planners. I have some magazines, and all that is just random decor that I took off my wall. And then I have some cursive letters. I am teaching my niece to write cursive. And I have my beautiful poster. Then I have my dream board or inspiration board, whatever you want to call it. And then this is my chair. And those blue cubbies, I have a bunch of art supplies. I do have a lot of projects coming up. And then I have all of my most used pens. And then I have some notepads, some pictures, safety pins, all that. And then down here I just have more journals and old paper, some photo albums, that I do not wish to go through. And then I have my dresser. I have some perfumes, creams, and more perfumes. I have my pops. And then a bunch of random crap there. I have my lip balms in here. These are my elastics and bobby pins and clips. This is the jewelry that I wear the most often. And it has some cotton balls, snow globes, and this is the makeup I wear every day. I was in a hurry this morning, so I had to do my makeup in the car. That's why this is here. Then I have my makeup drawers. I do have two. Here's the other one. I will have a makeup collection video coming soon. And then I have my medicine drawer, so that's that. I'm not going to go too into detail for that one. Then I have some medical supplies here like gauze, hydrogen peroxide, cut wash, and all that. And then on this drawer, I do have all my hair stuff. I have dry shampoo, my hair dryer, hairspray, curling wands. I have two hair dryers actually, and my combs, a detangler. And then coming this way, I do have all of my clothes hanging. This is where I keep all my clothes, in this unit right here. So I did try my best to color code all my clothes, except for these. These are all strapless or some casual dresses. And then I have my pants, all of my shorts, sweats, leggings, and pajamas. And then I have some skirts here and a bed cover. And then up here I have some long sleeves for the winter. Here in this little here in this box I have all my bras, underwears, bralettes, sports bras. Also in this bag I do have my bathing suits. And then in this I have all of my knitwear. There's some under this pink one. This pink one is one of my favorites. And then in this drawer I have some shirts that I use for when I'm painting, so I don't get any of my nice shirts dirty. And then I have my scarves and beanies. I need to organize this drawer for the winter since it is coming up. And then I have my socks. Okay, so we have the door once again. I do like to hang my fancy dresses, like for weddings and, you know, fancy occasions, hung up here. I also have my overalls, all of my purses, and my jackets, hoodies, you know, and my belts, my warm belts. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. Okay guys, so that was my room tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new, remember to turn on the post notifications so you will be notified when a new video is up. I will also let you guys know on Twitter, Snapchat, and on Instagram. Also on Tumblr. All that is Life of Arlene or The Life of Arlene. I will link everything down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.